Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 2. We will present our material entitled Old English Period. First of all, I want to introduce the group members. I am Afifah Nur Aziz as the first speaker. The second speaker is Muhalil Fattah. The third speaker is Siti Khadijah Fahri. And the last speaker is Nur Qaida. Before we get to the core of material, I will explain about the introduction of the Old English Period. G. Campbell 1986 mentioned that the Old English period is also known as Anglo-Saxon period. The duration is almost 450 AD to 10,060 AD. Historically, the Anglo-Saxon period is used to refer to several members of the Germanic population dating from the 5th century, the Common Era, to the Norman Conquest 10,066. The land currently occupied is part of Wales in England. In other words, it is a cultural group that occupied Great Britain. This includes the countries of Scotland, England, and Wales from the 5th century. They consist of ethnic Germans, an ethno-linguistic group of Northern European origin who moved to the island from mainland Europe. The natives of England and their descendants who adopted much of the Anglo-Saxon culture. The ethnic foundation laid down by the Anglo-Saxon are the basis for the classification of modern English law and the various features of British society.
The social condition in the period which may affect the literary works produced in the same period and the king or the queen. First, social condition. Anglo-Saxons were popular in the early Middle Ages from the 1st century to the Renaissance around the 14th century. The Anglo-Saxons lived in what is now England around 450 and belonged to the famous group around 1066. This group consists of 3 Germanic tribes, Anglo-Saxons and Jutes. Second, condition with the government. One old English poem, Beowulf, has many fine examples of a heroic country. This is the story of a warrior who saved his people from evil monster. Though brave deeds, there is a strong kinship between Beowulf and King Hrothgar.
Characteristic first, Anglo-Saxons were popular in the early Middle Age from the 1st century to the Renaissance around the 14th century. The Anglo-Saxons lived in what is now England around 450 and belonged to a famous group around 166. This group consists of 3 Germanic tribes, Angles, Saxons, and Jutes. There were changes in society that influenced literature. The Anglo-Saxons spoke a language called Old English, which was a combination of original English and the Germanic tribal language they bring with them. The Anglo-Saxon society continued to grow over following centuries, absorbing other cultures and removing other Germanic invaders. The history of these people is reflected in the rich literature of that era. The Anglo-Saxon invaders brought with them a tradition of oral poetry, but it was Christianity that brought the written word to them. For the most part, only churchmen were literate and spent much time copying manuscripts. The second important trait of Anglo-Saxon literature is Christian ideals. Image of the cross became popular in poems, as well as the idea of heaven and hell. Forgiveness is another vital Christian virtue. The heroes desire war and glory, but they fought for Christian principles. Why Anglo-Saxon? In Anglo-Saxon culture and literature, to be a hero was to be a warrior. A hero had to be strong, intelligent, and courageous. Warriors had to be willing to face any odds and fight to death for their glory and people. The Anglo-Saxon hero was able to all of this and still be humble and kind. In literature, Beowulf is perhaps the perfect example of an Anglo-Saxon hero. Specific famous genre. The three genres of poetry that were popular at the time were religious poetry, epic or heroic poetry, and long poem.
The famous writers and their works. 1. King Alfred is a translator. Christian Pastoral Care. Christian Paus Georgios. Ecclesiastical History of English Christian Beden. 2. Aldem is a writer and poet. Christian The Golden Necklace of Virtues. And the Wheat Jewels of Merit. 3. Renewal Bed is a prose writer. Christian Ecclesiastical History of Angel. 4. Alcuin is a prosaist. Christian Charles the Great and Horace. Conclusion. Anglo-Saxons were immigrants. They were made up of different tribes, the Anglo, Saxon, and Jutes. There was a massive battle between the Bryons and Saxons. The Anglo-Saxons shaped England and provided her with their language. All English literature or Anglo-Saxon literature covers words written in Anglo-Saxon throughout the 4050 AD. Anglo-Saxons are of the time from the mid of the 50th century to the Norman conquest of 1066 AD.